So we're about to do some next level 2018. All right, maybe not next level, but. Wait. Loud. 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 Ain't nobody around. We gotta hit the main strip. Huh? Right here, Twan. Right here. Say it loud and proud.
Out of your ass.
That wasn't loud enough.
It wasn't.
Loud.
I eat ass.
Come on, loud. Loud to where the heavens be. Say it loud. Come on, loud right now.
I eat ass.
I eat ass. All right, guys, shopping vlog. All right, did you pick some chips again? Yeah, just standing there and shit. I'm gonna just grab for the kids. Niggas is scared to walk around and tell the truth about how they love to eat ass. We all love to eat ass. Real or apple juice.
Real apple juice.
I only drink the realest. You want your own juice? Freestyle. Did y'all get y'all juice yet? Cause I got to go. I got more money to spend on my filthy hoes.
Is you pick up with me or you doing yourself?
You.
Wow, I'm not rapping.
So I'm rapping to you. Yo, I just spit bars.
Bars.
Water tray, watermelon tray.
We got hella juice.
What kind do this?
Who did this? Do y'all see this ratchet shit? You can't take black people nowhere. Quan, why'd you do that shit, yo?
What you up to, yo?
Alright, some people are like, you just can't fuck with them, or they might fuck with them.
God, chop bro out.
My card. Fire. She's like, come on, Twan.
Better stop looking at me like that.
You should have been like, oh, what the fuck? You should be like, I thought that was somebody else's car. I'm sorry. Or I thought that was my car.
Because he said, really? We recording. We lit. The fun onions.
What?
He had to knock. He almost about to knock niggas out because they told him all lives matter.
He like, really?
Really, nigga?
Like I told him 5.
Right here, guys. Stop. Let me tell you right now that these shit, you make you a pack of these and throw some cheese in it.
I ain't never did the cheese for me.
I'm telling you that. I'll stay a fat bitch for life.
Spices.
Oh, yum yum sauce. Can't go wrong with the yum yum sauce. Yum yum sauce. These guys are over here talking about how they fuck buns. You guys like buns? Fucking buns? Buns fucking?
Honey buns.
Can you put the buns down, please?
They're the true honey buns, though.
Why are y'all so obsessed with buns?
Honey buns.
They're so soft. Oh, they smell good.
Put your face in it. Eat it. He eats ass. Yo said he want the yellow bone cheese, though.
Like the yellow bone cheese.
don't want to have free stuff.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
We eat ass. She eats ass. He eats ass.
I ate the groceries.
You got the in-house?
So 3 hours later, after we're done doing all that ratchet ass shopping, about to unload the bank right quick. You know how we do. All right, so we're gonna try. I already tried these, but Twan's gonna try them.
I haven't tried.
Why are these bitches smushed? The fuck? All right. I feel like they burnt our shit. All right, take one. Get
You
it?
had it already?
Yeah, you got it.
Try it. It's hotter than Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Jared said pop is better.
I say pop, I feel so.
That's what they say out here, pop. Bitch, it's soda. It's soda.
Got my junior bacon, double bacon junior.
Jared mad at these, but these are just a little appetizer for y'all till we get to the house.
I'm not mad at these.
Yes, you are. You ready to do some coke? We got the bitches in the car right now. Let's see how many bags Lavelle can get. Get all. You won't do it. You won't get all them bags.
Yeah, you tell me you trying to make me get on the bed.
You won't. You won't. You won't. So clearly, Jared fucked up right now.
I'm not fucked up,
That nigga fucked up.
Red color. Do-do-do-do. Give me a high five.
Take me like ahead of that.